How to change the email address on your Gmail on the laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your email address on Gmail on your laptop. First, go to the web browser and click on the Google account shown at the top right corner. Then select the Manage Your Google Account option. On the left side, you will find different options including Personal Info. Here, click on Personal Info and scroll down. Now select your email under the Contact Info area. After that, it will show you your Google account email, recovery email, contact email, and alternate email. Following that, hit the Add Recovery Email button. Next, enter the password of your current Gmail. In the end, hit the Next button and add another email address easily. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.